Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add your mileage expenses on Expensya. Go to the Invoices tab. Click on Plus Mileage Expenses. Start by choosing your vehicle. Enter the address of departure, the address of arrival. And the number of trips. Expensya will automatically calculate the distance traveled. If you want to delete a mileage expense, select it, then click on Delete.
If you wish to add vehicles, you can do so by pressing the white plus button of the vehicle field.
Thank you, and see you soon on Expensya.